Hey YouTube, this is my first review on the dp80 airsoft electric gun, AEG. It is spring powered and electric powered. It shoots 275 9-volt battery. It is a black edition. I cut off most of the muzzle because it looks retarded. It's a great gun. It costs $100 at Big 5 in the San Jose area. It shoots pretty high velocity here. I mean, it's good for what you get. Good for shooting your friends in the backyard. This side, it's a foldable. That's cool. I like that. So if you want to go in a little combat, you want to go ta 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 ta. It's a little gun. And then the spring's right here. You go like this, got the back. That's all she wrote. The internals are metal. So it's just a great gun. I think you should buy it. Big 5, $100, maybe even cheaper. A good beginner gun. It's sort of like a AK and the M16 combined. You got the AK handle grip, you got the M16 pistol grip in top. You could put a rifle scope on here if you would like. It's a good gun. Hope you guys like it, enjoy it. Please comment back to me. This is my first video, remember? I'm doing it by myself on my bipod. Alright, thank you.